speeding towards the cliff. Action.
With ORBA, there are many ways to get expressive with your beats and melodies. These little playing techniques are what we like to call gestures. And much like on your smartphone, each movement of your finger will have a different effect. Tap is simple and is velocity sensitive, so the harder you tap, the louder the sound. But you can also use the press gesture by making your finger take up more and less surface area, which will modulate the effects on ORBA's synth. To really make the notes sing, you can radiate out from the center. Check out how beautiful it sounds with these strings in chord mode. Bump works great to add a clap effect in drum mode. And by now, you've already met tilt. So now that you know about ORBA's modes, how to switch between them, and how to experiment with ORBA's gestures, it's time to put your chops to the test and make a loop.